Welcome. This is a short tutorial on how to log into Okta for the very first time. This tutorial will outline these written instructions. Please note, as technology is constantly changing, both the video and written instructions are subject to change. These resources are made to assist you through this process. Let's get started. First, let's go to login.iowa.gov. You can do so by clicking on this link, and it will take you to login.iowa.gov. First step is to go ahead and enter in your username on the login page. This is your state of Iowa email address. You do have the option to select Keep Me Signed In. However, only use this on a trusted device, such as your workstation. Never use this on a public device. I'm going to go ahead and bypass the Keep Me Signed In. I'm going to go ahead and click the Next button. Then go ahead and enter your password. This password is your network, desktop, laptop password that you are familiar with. Once you have the password entered, you can go ahead and click Verify. Now you can see I'm jumped back to the written instructions, and we are in the step where we are requiring you to set up the security question. Now I just want to point out, if you don't do this in the order of the written instructions, you still will be prompted to complete the security question. But to make the instructions easy to follow, we make sure that you set up the security question first. So we're going to do just that. Let's go back and add our security question authenticator. Now we're ready to set up our security methods. Let's scroll down and locate the security question authenticator. You'll notice it has the option to select Set Up, and also make note it's only used for recovery. Let's go ahead and click Set Up. Then you have the option to choose a security question or create your own security question. That's up to you. To make things easy, we're just going to go ahead and select the very first question that appears on the drop-down. And I'm going to type in an answer that I will remember. And I'm going to click Verify. Now, you have several other options to select from under the security methods. These are all different types of authenticators to make sure you verify who you are. The top two authenticators that we strongly recommend for multiple reasons is Okta Verify and Phone. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and walk through the top two recommended authenticators. I'm going to go ahead and click Set Up for Okta Verify. Now, you have to install the Okta Verify app on your mobile device. So if you have an Android, please go ahead and go to the Google Play Store and install the Okta Verify. If you have an Apple phone or an iPhone, you could go ahead and go to the App Store and download Okta Verify. Once you have the Okta Verify app installed on your mobile device, go ahead and open that app. Once you have that app, Okta Verify, open on your mobile device, you're going to follow the prompts to add a new account. Once you follow the prompts, you will get to a portion where it says Yes, Ready to Scan. I'm going to go ahead and click Yes, Ready to Scan. I am now taking my mobile device and scanning the QR code that I see on my workstation. Please don't scan this code. It won't work. However, scan the code that you see on your screen that ties to your account. I am now scanning with my mobile device. Then you will notice once you pass that screen on your mobile device, you will then have an opportunity to set up an additional security method, which we're going to do. We're going to also set up the phone authenticator, as this is both used for access and recovery, just like Okta Verify. Let's go ahead and click Set Up on the phone. Now, phone is considered both SMS, which is also known as text messaging, or voice call. So if you have a mobile device that can receive text messaging, that is a great option for you. But if you don't have a mobile device that can receive text messaging, you also have the option to select voice. So you have the freedom of choice. For this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and select SMS and then type in my phone number in the box below. Then I'm going to select Receive a Code via SMS. Reminder, SMS is text. Then on my device that can receive text messages, I'm receiving a new message with a verification code. I'm going to go ahead and enter in that verification code that I received on my mobile device and click Verify. Now, you can also set up Google Authenticator as another option. But we're not going to walk through that process at this time. I'm going to choose the option to set up later. As you can see, I'm back to the written instructions, and you see this table where we just were at in the demonstration portion. This is regarding the authenticators that we just talked about. Now, this is still a work in progress, but once it's done, you will have the written instructions on how to set up Okta Verify, phone, and Google Authenticator. So this will help guide you if you do need additional support on walking through the process of those authenticators. We do strongly encourage you to check out these written instructions and video if you need additional support on these authenticators that you should set up. Again, you can see the strongly recommended, the encouraged, and the required authenticators for you when you log in. Once you log in, we strongly encourage you to bookmark the page so you can quickly find your Okta dashboard at all times. This is a quick and easy way to access your apps through the Okta dashboard. One last thing before we end this just short tutorial is I just want to make sure you know where your settings are within your Okta dashboard. Up at the top right hand corner, you will find a drop down and you will locate the word settings. Go ahead and click on settings. Then you will locate your settings dashboard and you can see all the different options you have. You'll notice you see the security methods, and in this particular account, I have 3 authenticators set up, such as Okta Verify, which is good for recovery and access. And I also have phone, which is great for recovery and access. And lastly, I have the security question, which is only for recovery. Congratulations, your Okta account has been successfully created. Thank you.